Greetings. We have Dr. Kirti Panikar with us. She's been into Indian dance, yes?
Indian classical
Indian
Bharatanatyam.
classical Bharatanatyam.
Yes.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I am Dr. Kirti Panikar. I am a Bharatanatyam professional performer, and I have taken doctorate in Bharatanatyam from Madras University, and I am a senior disciple of Padma Bhushan, VP Dhananjayan and Shanta Dhananjayan. They are very world famous Bharatanatyam performers, and they are residing in Chennai.
Chennai.
Before that, I was when I was 3 year old.
Yes.
I started this career.
Very young, very
Yes, very young, and I have learned the old style of Bharatanatyam at the beginning. Around 19 years, I learned Pandanallur Bani. That is the oldest Shaili Bani
Yeah.
of Bharatanatyam.
Okay.
Then later on, I started with Kalakshetra Bani. That is the most world famous cultural identity of India. It is called the Kalakshetra method. That is Bani. We call it Bani. That is we learned from Chennai.
So, how long have you been? Like you started from 3.
Yes.
The stages of learning from 3. From then you become. When did you become professional in this?
Yes, I started performing when I was just a 6 year old. I just started small performance.
Yes.
But full fledged performance is 2 hours single. Solo presentation,
So when
2 hours.
when did that happen?
That I started when I was 12 year old.
12-year-old.
Yes, I started 12-year-old. Then I became total professional after my 21. I started very much professional.
So your
Yes.
parents, who's the backbone like?
Yes, my mom and my dad, both of them are very supportive.
Very supportive.
Yes, of course.
And this is not easy thing to
Yes,
come there.
yes,
You have
it's
become
very
right now.
really struggling.
And you have a PhD and all that's not easy.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Yes, I have taken a master's in Carnatic music and also in Bharatanatyam. Then I mixed these things together in Bharatanatyam, like dance drama. Bharatanatyam dance drama music was the subject I took from Madras University. Yeah.
So where have you been like traveling? Like did you travel?
Yes, with my masters, I've traveled many places. It is China, UK, USA, everywhere I have
You've been there,
performed.
you've been
Yes,
there, yes.
and we have done workshops also.
Okay.
1 month or 2 months workshops we'll take it.
Okay.
Yes, they are
Yes.
doing that. Yes.
So tell me about the future. What Bharatanatyam holds? Is it fading into Western culture, Western dance, or the Bharatanatyam does still have that value?
Actually, yes, it have, but very rare students I am getting very dedication because I am
yeah,
teaching
that's
a
too much.
lot of students. I have
Yeah.
4 branches in Quellam and Trivandrum. I
you
have
have
from
four
yes,
branches,
I have more than 150 students. But what do I say? Online classes also I am taking
yes.
from different places: USA, UK,
yes.
Hong Kong,
Oh.
Canada. Everywhere I have students from
Yes,
online.
yes.
But what happens is foreign girls like USA, I have some 2 girls. They are actually last 6 years they are learning under me. They are more cultural than us, than the girls in India.
They're very
Yes.
very committed.
Very committed because here lot of people just want a showing performance,
yes.
just show off. That's
Just
all.
show off.
But this is not like that. It's something very
Too much
deep.
committed, yeah.
Yes, deep into it. You have to show what you are inside. You have to go inside and
also
show your
part of the
best.
thing,
Yes, that's a
If
different
this is something
thing.
inside you need, and then the
Correct.
show has to come outside too.
Yes.
Yes. We have seen
And
your your students, the young little ones. perform.
yes.
That was wonderful.
Yes.
But then you have bigger students too.
Yes, I have bigger students, different ages,
Yeah, different
retired ones also.
Oh,
They're also learning,
you are
and
right.
they're just learning for their mind
Yeah,
happiness
mind,
only.
maybe flexibility in the body. or something
Flexibility
like
and
that.
happiness for the
Happiness.
happiness. The happiness is the main thing actually. Dance is giving you something like that, no?
Yes. So
Yeah.
what are your achievements as a dancer?
Yes, as you said, you asked me a question that what is the future of Bharatanatyam?
Yeah, future.
Yes, actually, this is a very classical thing. You understand, no? There's so many rules and regulations like that, and the languages which we use in the dance sometimes is Sanskrit, Manipravalam, very rarely Malayalam, Telugu, Kannada, different languages also we are using, and the technique also not everybody can understand. So what I do, I created it as a dance drama. Actually, I'm not the first one who created dance drama. My gurus and their gurus also created. But what I did, I taking my gurus always taken the Puranic stories, the epic stories. But I'm taking the real stories also. Whatever happening in right now in our society, there is so many social crises are there against the women, against the students,
happening.
even the children,
Yes, yes, too much
and also the animals. I have
Yes.
taken all these stories
Yeah.
direct from our
So you
society.
show this in the dance.
Yes, I've done many
Oh,
dance
that's
dramas now,
wonderful. Yes.
and it is people have seen that and
You
they
see
are
that.
appreciated
Yeah,
it, and
yeah.
it's a wonderful thing. It's a social thing also. We have a commitment. Artists become complete when we are socially committed, and I am doing that, and it's a wonderful thing. Recently, also, I did the famous stories that happened in Kerala, Uttara
Yes,
murder case,
yes, yes.
and also this
Yeah.
Vismaya murder
Yes,
case.
yes.
And these stories I have taken exactly like that, and I have enacted with my girls
Yes.
with full dance also.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it is presented in Trivandrum
Yes.
2 months before.
2 months.
Yes.
So that you see, there's a lot of future in this. You
Yes,
see that.
definitely.
And what are like achievements like you see ahead? Not that you have received already,
Mhm.
but is there anything more to achieve in this?
Yes, recently actually I'm and Prince Sensai sir in
Yeah,
karate.
yeah.
We both are working together, and our institutions are together actually. So we are sharing everything. So what happening is karate. The boys have very strong fight scenes and
Yes,
active.
yes.
So what I do in the Puranic stories also I'm doing in that the fight scenes and all. Really, I want to make it real. So what I did recently, we did that, and it had a great appreciation. So coming next month, we are planning to do the Ramayana, the old Ramayana, but the fight scenes and everything, the karate boys are really doing, and
They're
the
really
dance
doing it,
scenes,
yes.
dance scenes entirely,
It's,
the
it's
acting
clubbed
scene.
together.
Yes,
Oh, wonderful.
people are enjoying nicely
Enjoying.
because they're seeing a movie, dramatic movie in front of you. You're really, for me, is in the screen you're seeing the real movies,
Yes.
right? But on stage live,
This
if
is
you
real
see
thing.
this in a real thing, and the real fight is, yeah, real fight is also happening, so people will enjoy more. They're into exciting mode.
So what about family and stuff? Like,
Yeah, I have a son. That's all. Yes.
thank you
Yes.
so much. I look forward to see your works and do a few other stories too in future.
Sure.
Because there's a lot of things here maybe
Correct,
we can
correct.
capture and we can work
Thank
on it
you.
too.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for your time.
Thank you so much.